Goeiemôre graad 1's. Last week, or not even last week, the week before that, the term is going so quickly, we did the klank in Afrikaans. So we did the a. And then we read the story about Tippy, the olifant, Tippy, the little elephant, and he had a whole lot of sounds in his story. So now today we're going to look at our second sound, and it's e. So remember, in grade 1, we don't look at these as letters. So we don't say A and E. We look at the sounds they make. And when we are learning to read in English or Afrikaans or Zulu or any language, we need to look at the sounds so that we read them correctly, because each language makes different sounds for the letters. So we can't say this is A and E. So in English, we say A and E. In Afrikaans, we say A and E. So the A and the A is different, but the E is the same. So if we say pen, P, E, N, and in Afrikaans, it would also be, here's a picture of pen, we'd say P, E, N, pen. Right, so let's have a look at these pictures, and then I'm going to write the words down for you to read. So the first picture, this is a big E, and it's filled with E pictures. And the E sound is in the middle of the word. So the first one is a knife, and the Afrikaans word is mes. Say mes, mes. Then we have a net that you could catch fish in at the sea, or little fish, or you could keep shells in, or you could maybe catch crabs at a dam, but that's a little net. So, same as the English, net. Net. Then in English, these are eggs, we would say, and this would be a nest. In Afrikaans, it's called a nes. So, say the word nes. Then, bed in English, and I explained this to you in the Tippy story. It has a D at the end, but we say bet. See, bet. Then a gate, a garden gate. Hek, hek. And the last one is a hen. And in Afrikaans, hen. So there are quite a few that are the same. And I said that was the last one, but I forgot about these two because I started with mes, and I should have started like that and gone around. But anyway, I didn't forget about these two. Pen, it's the same as English. Pen. And cap is a pet. Pet. Right, so those are the E words that we're going to look at with the E sound in Afrikaans not starting, in the middle of these words. So these words don't start with E, they have E in the middle. So let's write them now and read them. So the first one was mess. And I'm going to do the E in blue. Mess. Can you remember what that was? Well done. It was a knife. The next one was net. And that one's the same as the English. So it's your little fishing net that you would use at the beach if you were lucky enough to be at the sea. Mess, knife, net. And we say E. Then nest. Can you remember what that was? It's a nest of eggs. So mess, net, nest. The next one is bed. And remember I said it's spelt with a D, but we pronounce it, and I'm just going to put a little one up there. We say it as bed. We don't say bed like we do in English. So bed. And then we had heck. Can you remember what heck was? Correct. Heck was the garden gate. Heck. Right. Then we had hen. Oh, I used the wrong colour. And I can't find my duster, so I'm using a tissue. Let's have a look. So hen. And hen is the same as English. So hen, net is the same as English, and we could say bed too, but we don't say it as bed. We say bed, so I'm not going to put a dot there. Then we had pen. Right, that's also the same as English. And the last one was pet. And if it was our pet kitten or our pet dog, then it could be the same, but it's not. Can you remember what pet is? That's right, it's a cap. So let's just quickly read them again together, and remember to say that E nicely. Pull your mouth open. E. Mess. Net. Nest. Bed. Heck. Hen. Pen. Pet. Baie mooi graad eens. Totsiens. Sien julle later in die week.